Hello everyone, this is CA Shrejal and I welcome you all to my channel The Commerce Bench. So today we are going to talk about vacancies in Andrew Yule and Company Limited. This is a Government of India enterprise. So this is basically into manufacture and sales and servicing of various industrial products like transformers and industrial fans. However, they also have 15 tea gardens. So the vacancies that we are going to talk about is about these tea gardens. So let's see the details now. The first post is assistant officer, grade 1, and here the total number of posts is 2. Please also take a note of the post code. In the end, you will see there is 01. So we will be needing this while applying. Okay, so please, we'll have to take a reference. So please note this. The division will be T Division Kolkata. So you will be posted in Kolkata, and the qualification required is that you have to be a graduate and you should have passed your CA or ICWA intermediate. After that, you can see the minimum post qualification experience. So you should have at least 2 years of experience post qualification in finance and accounts division. They have specifically mentioned that your articleship experience or any experience that you have in the audit firms, that will not be considered as work experience. So you should have worked somewhere in the finance and accounts department. Apart from that, you can see that the maximum age limit is 38 years if you want to apply over here. Now let's look at the job description. So you will be expected to do the remittances through RTGS and preparation of necessary vouchers, processing of payments, preparation of TDS and GST reports, allocation of expenses, maintenance, processing and consolidation of the T accounts, checking and finalization of the garden accounts, preparation of tender papers. All these things will be expected from you. Let's look at the compensation now. So your starting basic pay would be 26,100 rupees. Along with that, you will be getting dearness allowance, house rent allowance, medical reimbursements, leave travel concession, and conveyance and food allowance, etc. Now, how are you going to apply? I will show that to you at the end of the video. Now let's come to the second advertisement. Here only the post code has changed. That means at the end they have now written 02 and the location has changed. So now here in this case you will be posted in Assam. So if your preferred place is Assam, then you have to apply for this. You have to take the reference of this advertisement and apply. I will definitely tell you at the end how are you going to apply for these different posts. Now, the name of the post and the qualification required, the minimum post qualification experience, everything is the same over here also. Maximum age limit is also the same. The job description here is slightly different, means they have written it in a different manner. That's it. Let's see it once. Reconciliation and finalization of garden accounts, identifying areas for reduction of cost, standardizing the rates for procurement, preparation of reports, etc. These all things will be required from you. You can read it in detail from here. Apart from this, if you see the scale of pay and everything, that is also the same as we read in the first advertisement. Now we come to the final advertisement, that is the third one. Here you can see the post code at the end, it is given 03. Your division or department would be Tea Gardens in West Bengal. Where exactly in West Bengal you will be posted, that they have not mentioned yet. The name of the position is again assistant officer. However, the number of posts here is 1. So in advertisement 1, we saw that there are 2 posts. In advertisement 2 also there were 2 posts. In advertisement 3 here there is 1 post. Again, the qualification requirement, post qualification experience, and the maximum age limit, the scale of pay, everything is the same over here also. And the job description is similar to the advertisement 2 that we just saw. Here, one more important thing to be noted is that a candidate can apply for only one position against the advertisement. So, this whole advertisement that you are seeing over here, all the posts, you can apply for only one position. It's not like you can apply for West Bengal and you can also apply for Assam. So, you have to see your preferred place and then apply accordingly. Also, they have said that the selection of the candidates will be through either interview or any other method as decided by the management. So, they have not clarified yet what will be the selection procedure. We'll have to wait for that. They will update anything that would happen on the official website itself. So, you have to keep checking the official website. Now we are on the careers page of Andrew Yule and Company, and you can see over here the post codes that we had seen. So 01 was for Kolkata, 02 was for Assam, and 03 was for West Bengal. So whichever place you want to apply, just click on apply now. So suppose I am clicking on the first one, 01. then after this page opens, you will have to give in your basic details. That means for your name, your post applied for, father's name, your permanent address, or what else do we have to give? Let's see, your email ID, mobile number, Aadhaar number, personal details, whether you have any dependents or not, educational qualifications and details of experience that you have. Then here they have asked what languages you know. And finally, after filling all these basic details, you have to submit the application. I will give you all the important links in the description box for application. So if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you so much.